Hi, I'm attorney Mark Tolentino. My days are bland for long hours of work at the office, court appearances, and helping clients solve their legal problems. But just like anyone else, I enjoy a little break and having a good laugh with friends. Oh, looks like my parcel is ready. BoxPlus is truly a lifesaver for someone like me who is always on the move. I can pick up and drop off parcels anytime, and I know they are safe thanks to the surveillance camera. In case I have any questions, I can call their customer service anytime.
Hi!
I-BoxPlus mo na yan!